In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your gender in PolyBuzz quick and easy. Let's start at the very beginning so nothing is confusing. Open your preferred web browser and head to Google. This is just a simple way to get to the right place if you don't have the address memorized. In the search bar, type PolyBuzz and press Enter. In the results, look for the official PolyBuzz website. It should display the PolyBuzz AI domain. Double-check the web address before clicking to make sure you're visiting the legitimate site and not a sponsored ad or an unrelated page. Once the PolyBuzz homepage loads, make sure you're signed into your account. If you're already logged in, you'll see your profile picture or your initials in the upper right corner of the page. That's the account area we need. Click that profile icon to open your account options and go to your profile page. On your profile page, look for the Edit button, often shown as a small pencil or an Edit label. Clicking this will switch your profile into edit mode so you can update your information. If the page asks for confirmation or briefly loads, give it a second to enable those fields. Next, find the section labeled Profile or Information. Here, look for the field for your gender. Depending on how the page is set up, it might be a text box you can type into, or it could be a drop-down with preset options. Click into the field and enter the gender you want displayed on your profile. Take a moment to make sure it's spelled the way you want and that it reflects how you'd like it to appear to others on the platform. If you see any privacy controls nearby, review them so you understand who will be able to view this information on your profile. When you're satisfied with the update, scroll to the bottom or top of the page and click Save. Some pages show a quick confirmation message like a small Saved notice, while others might refresh. If you don't see a confirmation, wait a moment and then check that the field still shows your change. You can also refresh the page to verify your update stuck. If the change doesn't appear immediately, a quick browser refresh, signing out and back in, or clearing your cache can help. On mobile, the process is the same, but your profile icon may be inside the top menu or a small avatar button. That's it. You've successfully updated your gender in PolyBuzz quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this walkthrough if you need a quick reminder.